COVID has put my interviews on lockdown. And living in Florida, it just hasn't made anything better. But now, things change.
Oh, you mean people that don't know say Yaadman Etan, and right now we are out in Orlando, Florida, and it has been months since I have done a public interview. And the reason why I haven't been doing public interviews is because I just don't trust the people them in Florida. I said, wait, one more master. Hold on. Yo, people that make sure say click the link in the description, to get your very own Yaadman merch from my Teespring store. Hold on. All right, we're fully protected. So people them, I said that I would not be doing public interviews until I knew I could protect myself. So look at now, I have my goggles, I have my suit, hazmat suit, I have my mask. So right now, I go out there, I gotta start this new series called COVID Questions. All right, I gotta ask the people them, what will it take for them to take the vaccine? What will it take for them to put on a mask if they believe that COVID is real? Hold on, let me make sure something. Mask over my nose. You see me, people them. We're ready. We're out here, Orlando, Florida.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share, and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Help stop the spread so we can go back to our life and can wine girl regular in a party. Forward. Yo, it's a tough day, yo. It's like nobody no one in an interview. Alright, we have a couple right over here. Let's see if they be willing. Alright, cool, watch this. Hi, excuse me. Hey guys, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm doing a video for YouTube and I'd like to know if you guys would be down for an interview.
That now go happen.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Is someone in?
I feel away!
So hi my dear, how you doing? What's your name?
Kiana.
Cam.
Brielle.
Brielle. What's your name my dear?
Alondra. Marissa.
Marissa. What's your name, sir?
Chris.
I'm Jess.
Jess. What's your name my dear?
Bianca.
Yo, so what go on? What go on? Like on together? Yeah, that one there does not him head. Me think so that one there the man, alright? I need you guys to tell me something, alright? We're in Florida. It's 2021, alright? Are you guys vaccinated?
No.
No.
No vaccination.
No vaccination.
No way.
How about you?
Nah.
No? So you guys sound like you're against it.
I'm not against it. Do what you want, but I ain't messing with it, man.
Okay.
I ain't messing with it.
Okay.
I can't mess with them sticking me with the stuff. I don't know what's in there. I don't know what's in it, man. I don't know what's in it.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in it.
Okay. Do you believe in COVID?
I believe part of it.
What you mean?
I believe that it has impacted a lot of people and a lot of people's health. I had it. What? But I know a lot of other people that had it that had a different experience with it. Me personally, it wasn't super bad for me. But I do know a lot of other people that it has affected more than me. So I have mixed emotions about it.
Give you a fist bump for immunity. All right.
Thank you.
And how about you, my dear? Do you believe in COVID?
Yeah, I do. I don't have much to say about it. I never got it, but some people, I know people that have gotten it for sure, yeah.
Do you believe in COVID?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I see you guys are not wearing your masks. What's going on here?
We got vaccinated.
Oh! They got vaccinated. Do you believe in COVID?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I do.
Yes. I see you ladies not wearing any masks though.
We're outside. I feel like if we're outside and keeping it moving and not being within a certain feet of other people, then we're
Okay, so you're not around anyone okay, I got you.
it's like this right now.
Well, yeah, and
But I practice it to a certain extent.
you believe in it, but what?
But I practice it to a certain extent.
Okay, I got you. So I'm sure you have
Outside, then no need for a mask. But
your hand sanitizer.
Have them handy.
Okay, all right. So you have them. Okay, all right, cool. So talk to me. How has COVID affected your lives? Has it stopped the tourists from coming around and feeding you? So him just roll over him eye a while ago, so I feel like say him hungry. Is it me I say? So how has your life been affected by COVID?
I mean, shit, like, we can't even, like, you're wearing fucking, like, whole jumpsuit right now. Like, I mean, this speak for itself. Like, you can't go nowhere without no mask. Like, people checking for all kinds of shit. I mean, the world was shut down for a while. Like, I've never seen the world shut down, bro. Like, the streets was empty. And you're in a freaking jumpsuit. Like, I mean, it just don't get no more world changing than this. Like, well, like...
How about you? How's your life been changed?
Well, when you go to like important places, you're limited. You have to make an appointment to go in. You can't just go in freely. Like he said, you got to wear a mask. No more fresh air unless you're out and about in the park, I guess. But yeah,
So
limited access to places.
Have you been vaccinated by any chance?
No.
No.
Okay, so like, do you feel how do you feel about the whole vaccination process?
I don't trust it. I would never get vaccinated. I've done a lot of research, and I just personally don't trust the government, and I don't trust a lot of people that are behind it. There's a lot of evil people in the world, and I just don't want to put anything in my body that doesn't need to be in there.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm not getting it. I don't trust that at all.
What would it take for you to get vaccinated though? Like, is there something that needs to be changed? Is there something that, you know, they can show you to say, hey, you can trust this?
It's a good question. As of right now, I can't think of. I mean, if it was like risking my family's life, if I had to choose, probably. But I can't see myself getting vaccinated. Yeah, no, because I feel like it would just take my life away too. But yeah, I care about my family, and if they were on the line, then yeah, I would.
How about you, my dear?
Well, if they haven't even made any vaccines for like, I don't know, like they made the vaccine so quick. That's why I don't trust it. So it's like why is other diseases don't have vaccines for those? But like, so I don't believe it. It's just sketchy.
So tell me the truth, all right? Has COVID affected you from hooking up and fertilizing your eggs? So she's saying no, is it me I say? And him saying yes, which means him probably get burned from that one day, is it me I say? So ladies, there we go. I'll have our hand sanitizer right here, so these ladies are, being safe. All right, so ladies, tell me, how has COVID affected, your life, your social life?
It's affected it a lot as far as like going out and like socializing with friends at bars and places like that, for sure.
How about you, Bianca?
Yeah, definitely affected it. Especially if you're single, it's hard to like meet someone during COVID days, for sure.
You miss going out, right?
Not really, no.
Miss going out?
I miss going out a little. I miss going out a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you being in the house. I mean, I like going out, like seeing people. I like being out with my dogs and stuff. Like, yeah, like going out. Like, it's hard to do that. Like, I mean, they already like, they got the kind of personalities that they are. And, people got their own stigmas on them, so it's hard taking them out like that. But like now, don't nobody want to be like people social distance in their cars, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'll be at driveways and like people will be 6 feet back in a car. Like, we separated. Hey, but to answer your question though, but like, nah, like to keep safe, yeah, no, wash your hands. Everybody stay clean. You know what I'm saying? Wear a mask, wear a jumpsuit if you got it. Where'd you get it?
Amazon. What inspired you to get vaccinated?
Well, I work in a pharmacy, so I pretty much believe in medicine, and think it really helps.
Got you. How about you, sir?
Yeah, my mom's a pharmacist, and I believe they did the right amount of research and put the right amount of effort into making sure that people could get it.
So we're in Florida right now. Like, how do you feel about the usual climate of Florida not generally caring about what's happening in the world right now?
Oh my God, I hate it. I hate it so much. It sucks.
Because here I am in a full suit with goggles and everything trying to protect myself. How do you feel, sir?
Yeah, people in Florida are crazy, so that's just how it is. But some people believe in it, some people just don't.
You're in a relationship. How has your relationship been affected by, COVID?
It hasn't allowed us to open up our business, and our income and has been affected by it, and just a lot, really. Just mainly like finances, I guess, for me personally.
And for you, my dear, I know you're single. So like, tell me the truth. Like, when was the last time you're able to hook up, but like COVID was like, nah?
Oh yeah, I still do that all the time.
You guys are dating, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like, we don't have to worry about, okay, all right, I see. So you guys trust each other and everything. Like, all right.
Yeah.
Has COVID affected, your ability to,
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
I would say, yeah, of course.
So when was the last time?
I don't know about all those details. But we'll just say yes.
Yes. Bianca?
Yes.
That's not tell me the last time.
No.
What about you? When was your last time?
I made sure, hand sanitizers were,
Of course, the whole time.
Right, master, entire time. You see what I'm saying? Body time. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm a walking condom right now. All right? Ladies, have a good day. Thank you very much. So, yes, people, that is episode 1 of COVID questions out here in Orlando, Florida. Is the man I say? No, if we can get more than 2,000 views on this video, we will continue this series. All right? I will take this COVID questions to another city, maybe even Miami, maybe even Jamaica. Who knows? As long as COVID is a problem, I'm going to go around and ask people them all go on. All right, so people they make sure to stay safe. Wear the mask, sanitize, and all them things there. All right, people then comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Everyone said, I need to thank the man behind the camera right now, I need to thank yo, show your face, brother. Show your face, brother. Yo, show your face, brother. Turn it around. What the people that can follow you, brother?
Right, Terry Vlogs, they don't know what's happening.
Put the camera upon you, brother.
Terry Vlogs, check me out, YouTube, Instagram.
Blessings in the Tyreek Vlogs. Big up yourself. People them, we're out here without fear. Well, we're staying safe. Big up on yourself.